says no Dalit or tribal.
See, Rahul Gandhi presently is having the teaching from the such a teachers. They don't have the job. They are even jobless. So that's why this kind of misguided words are coming from the LOP of our country. Because this budget is for the poor, for the farmers, and for the middle class. So within the middle class and the lower middle class people, the highest participation is from the Dalit community, and in the poor we have the SC, we have both the SC and the ST people. So this budget is meant for the all section. If you look closely to this budget, you will find out that every section of this country, it may be middle class, it may be MSME class, and the farmers, even the women, all have been touched by this budget. Yes, in education sector also, the government has invested so much money that in near future, a center for excellence will be open on AI and role of AI on education. And government has allocated 500 crore of rupees. Not only so, all the secondary schools, that means 9, 10, 11, 12 schools will be connected through broadband. Those village schools will be connected through the broadband. So that is the actually the atma of this budget, the spirit of this budget, that it has tried to touch every section of the country.
Sir, also biased budget and all budget is goes to Bihar because Bihar election is coming. What you want to say to the opposition?
See, our opposition is clueless, so that's why they are using such kind of words. The thing is that if we consider the whole country, the western part of our country is much more advanced financially. In comparison to that, the eastern part of the country is relatively less developed financially. So government has started investing on the eastern part of the country and with the project of Purvodaya. So Bihar is a state which obtain attention in this budget. Next budget, some other state will get the attention. But you need such kind of states where you will be able, or the central government will be able to at least invest the money. If central government decide to invest in West Bengal, what will happen? Mamata will start opposing that. No, nahi chalega. So you cannot invest money in such kind of state. And I feel that very near future, the change will happen. Double engine Sarkar will be formed. Double engine government will be formed in the state of West Bengal, and then so state of West Bengal will receive a huge budget for this kind of developmental work.
Sir,